Hey guys, it's Elliot Ebenezer again today, and briefly we're going to be looking at the logical operators in Kotlin. And as you know, logical operators are supposed to help you make decisions based on logic. Okay, so if a particular logic is true, then so and so thing should happen. Okay, and for logical operators, we have three types of logical operators in Kotlin and also in Java. We have the AND logical operator, we have the OR logical operator, and then we have the NOT. Okay, so if I write that into the AND, OR, and then we have the NOT. Okay, and so the symbol for this is AND like this, and then the symbol for OR is, so the symbol for the OR logical operator is two bars. Okay, like this, and then for the NOT logical operator, what we have is an exclamation mark. Okay, so let me explain how this AND logical operator works. Okay, now this AND logical operator and the OR logical operator take what we call two operands. Okay, so there's an operand on the right and then there's an operand on the left. So these logical operators can give you a boolean. It would always give you a boolean value. So, and the boolean value would always have either true or false. So those are the only two values a boolean variable can have, true or false. Now the only time that an AND, this AND now logical operator will give you true is if the two operands are true. Okay, so if the two operands both on the right and the left are true, then and only then would you receive a true from this operator. But for the OR operator, it is just necessary that one operand should be true, and then this OR logical operator will give you true. Okay, so for this NOT, this one works by inversing the answer of an operation, so to say. So if you have a true and you not a true, it's just like saying the inverse of a true, which is a false. And if you had a false and you inverse it, or you get the inverse now, then you would get a false as the answer, or a true. So if you inverse a true, you get a false. If you inverse a false, you get a true. So for us to check this, I'm going to just declare two Boolean variables. Okay. All right. Instead of using two Boolean variables, we'll jump a little, and then we'll use an if statement. Okay. So if, all right, let's have two variables. I'm going to have say var type of int will be equals to 6, and then var b var and int value will be equals to 9. Okay, so if var is equals to 6 and b var, okay, is equals to 9, then println, all right, true. Okay, else, okay, so I know we're jumping, but then I'll explain this, false. Okay, so now what this is saying is the value in var 6. Okay, so if the value in var is 6, this operand will be true, and then if the value in bvar is 9, then this operand on the right hand side will be true. Now the only reason, or the only time where and, okay, would this AND operator will be equals to true is if the operand on the right and on the left are true. Okay, so if I run this, I run as a Kotlin application, true. Why? Because both var is equals to 6 and bvar is equals to 9. But if I change this to 4, now note that bvar is equals to 9, okay, of which this operand is true, but then this operand is false because var is equals to 6. So if I run this, run as Kotlin application, you get false because the AND operator requires that both operands on the right and the left equals to true before it can give a true for the whole logical statement. Okay, so I will just duplicate this and put it for the OR so that we can get acquainted to it. Now note that in the OR, only one operand is required to be true before you can get a true from the AND operator. Okay, so note that here the b var is equals to 9, but the a var is 6, but here is saying check if it is 4. So if I run this, run as Kotlin application, okay, so it's true because the or operator just requires that one operand is true. So if I change this, the or operator would give you false if and only if both operands are false. So for now, b var is equals to 9, not equals to 5, and a var is equals to 6, not equals to 4. So if I run this, this is the only condition where the or operator will give us false. So here you go with false. Okay, so that way you can understand the difference between the AND operator and the OR operator. Okay, so let's go over to the NOT operator. Now for the NOT operator, remember I told you that it gets the inverse. Okay, so it gets the inverse of. Okay, so if I do if a var is equals to 4, then I want to put this in double bracket so that you can see not. Okay, now what this means is, all right, let me make this true. So if a var is equals to 6, now firstly it is true, right? Let me reduce this. Firstly, it is true that a var is equals to 6. Okay, so this condition in the bracket here would give us true, but when it is being noted, so to say, you would get false. Okay, so I will just say println. Okay, so I would say println true, else println false. Okay, so what this means is if a var not equals to 6, now if it is not equals to 6, print true, but if it is equals to 6, print false. Okay, so if I run false, okay, so because this saying if a var not equals to 6, but then it is equals to 6, that's why you have this. But if I change the value of this, so this is now saying if a var not equals to 5, so is it equals to 5? Let's see what the NOT operator would say about that. False or true? True, because it is not equals to 5. Okay, so here we would stop. Sorry for jumping us to the if and the else statements in Kotlin. I promise to do a whole tutorial video about that, and I hope you understand. So these are the logical operators we have in Kotlin. We also have them the same way in Java, but you know, with different, you know, the variable declaration, and I hope you understand. Yes, my GitHub repository will be up in a jiffy, so just don't worry, you have where you can go and copy your code and paste in your IDE and tweak as you like. So guys, thank you for watching. Do come back for more tutorials. Do have a lovely week and God bless.